Balistrieri Family Farm. It's gotta be like Italian or something. So I'm a little annoyed. I just did some recording, or at least thought I did some recording. The camera wasn't even on. But that's alright. That happens all the time with me, unfortunately. We just overcome and adapt, feel me? Oh. Alright, so first, thank y'all, of course, thank you for tuning in. I feel like my roommate, 'cause that's what he says whenever he starts his Twitch streams. Thank y'all for tuning in with Immaculate 870. Let's get it. But nah, for real. Let's get it, you feel me? But yeah, I'm just out. I'm doing a nice little ride. I figured there's no better day than the present to, go ahead and do my first video of 2022. I just spent the last couple months preparing. And let me take a moment to really explain why I kind of went MIA. Because I've had a few people tell me, or ask me that, what's going on. They're like, hey, I ain't seen you in about 2-3 weeks. What happened? You were normally posting. It was a number of things. But the biggest reason was I need to take a step back. My mental health was deteriorating rapidly. Like, I didn't know who I was. There are, of course, a couple things that are a little more private that I really don't want to talk about. But I just took on too much with school and work. And it really just, took its toll on me. Not to mention, I've been battling, weight gain for the past, 7 or 8 months. And so, I'll get consistent. I'll go to the gym, every day, twice a day, do my little workouts, and then life will get busy. Finals or midterms, or we got special projects to do at work with a very short timeline, and my entire schedule will fall apart. So I decided, I noticed what was going on and how it was making me feel. So I just took a step back. I started focusing on the things that were really important, need to get done right now. Hey, Horsey. What's good, Horsey? And made a plan. And so here we are, last week of January. I gave myself until February 1st to kind of get my shit back in order. I think we're good. I actually have a lot more free time. I'm mentally prepared for work and for school. And I also did a lot of work on this bike. A lot. So, and that's going to be another video. I'm going to try to keep, her out the pictures. But as you can already tell, we got some new levers. Of course, the front looks a little bit different. And I finally got a new phone mount. But like I said, totally different video. Today we just riding, I got a new drone. So I'm going to take some time to play with that in a little bit. But, whew. And I'm not going to lie. I'm not sure if it's me, or if I had a bunch of fears because I knew I was doing work or what, but I feel like a more confident rider. Let's just hope it's not too confident of a rider, fuck my bike up right after I made it nice and pretty. Ooh. But yeah, y'all tell me, y'all made any new resolutions this year? I've made a ton of them. Like I said earlier, my weight gain, that's gotta get under control. I'm not, sloppy big or nothing like that, but I spent all my life doing athletics, so I kind of want to get back into shape. Oh, sorry, I got anything? I know everyone, 90% of the population is like, I need to lose some weight. COVID don't fuck me up. Yes, it has. But what else are y'all working on? Y'all got a book goal, y'all want to read a certain number of books, y'all trying to get a new job, promotion. Y'all tell me what they are. Motorcycle and non-motorcycle related. This is a community of 37 people, so let's get it, Yes, I said 37. If y'all not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Let's get up to 40. You feel me? Let's get to 40 and then 50. 50 is my ultimate goal right now. So if I can get 13 more followers, let's make it 14, 51. I'm gonna be a happy man. But in order to do that, I got to be consistent. 1 car, 2 car. Okay. Ooh, the sun's in my eye. But then I finally took the time to really sit back and think about what all I wanted to accomplish over the next, 9-10 months. And one thing I always, it's not really a resolution, but like one of my yearly goals that I pretty much always do is I want to read a certain number of books. And is that a symbol? Was he talking to me? I saw that hand. I ain't gonna do it until I know I can. One of my goals is, every year I like to read a certain number of books. Last year it was like 30 of them, and not including the books that I had to read, like teaching, because I was teaching half the year, or in class. I read more than 31 books for pleasure or for like personal growth. And I don't know, I always feel like everything's a growth factor, you feel me? I don't like doing something unless I can find some like potential benefit to my growth. Doesn't always have to be monetarily either, but I'm very big on growing who I am, so that way by the time I reach 35, 40 years old, it's just a nice, I'm just stride in everything I'm doing. So that's one thing that I'm super adamant about, and one thing I was actually pretty happy I accomplished last year. So, if y'all ever looking for any books to read, yeah, let me know. I read a good mixture of sci-fi, fantasy, those. I'm not a big self-help kind of person, but I did read a couple of those books thanks to like some recommendations. I read a couple of kids novels. Oof. And those were recommended to me by like some of my older students, like, oh yeah, you definitely gotta check out this book, it's amazing. So I'd read one of the series, and then I'd read the second of the series, and then the third one will come out and read that too. So if y'all need any recommendations, please feel free to let me know. I was supposed to turn around too, so easily. How funny, how easily we get distracted. Woo! What did I slide on? That. I stopped at the right time. Police! What's up, officer? Yo, what the fuck did that slip on though? Ah, right there. Yeah, like gravel. I didn't even do anything stupid. That's how quick it happens. Alright, let's get this drone up. Alright, so drone recording went kind of good, I think. Really isn't much to see out here, but still kind of pretty, just like all the landscape and whatnot. And I'm still like, I just got this thing. I'm still a little nervous to like fly it over water, and then for some reason the remote shorts or something, and instead of like flying back home or whatever, it just falls in the water. I'm still very, very nervous about using it. Only used it a handful of times, and most of the time they were like, where I live. feed me. Good bear. Where's my wallet? Actually. Wow. The damn card reader doesn't work. Stupid California safety pump thingy. Woo! Do I know what?